Question number 3 says a particle P is projected vertically upwards from O with a velocity of 8 meters per second. So projected upwards, initial velocity is 8 meters per second. The point A is the highest point reached by particle P. So it reaches this point. This is A. We know that at highest point velocity is always equal to 0. After that it falls back. Find the speed of P when it is at the midpoint of OA. So consider this midpoint and we need to find the speed at this point. So if we just use the equation, 2as is equals to v square minus u square. So 2 acceleration is minus 10, displacement is unknown, final velocity is 0 and initial velocity is already given, which is 8. So we can find the displacement. This is minus 20s is equals to minus 64 and s is equals to 64 by 20 and 64 divided by 20 is 3.2. So it reaches a height of 3.2 meters and midway would be half of that. So half of OA is half of 3.2 divided by 2 is 1.6 meters. And the first part of the question says find the speed at the midpoint. So we now have the displacement and we can work out the speed. Again using the same equation, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Velocity at the midpoint is unknown, velocity at the start is 8, 2 acceleration is minus 10 and displacement is now 1.6. So v square is equals to 64 minus 2 into 10 into 1.6 is 32. We don't need this square. V square is equals to 32 and v is equals to square root 32. And square root 32 is 4 square root 2 meters per second, and in decimal approximately equal to 5.66. Second part of the question says the time taken for P to reach the midpoint of OA while moving upwards. Now we have a lot of data, so I can use the equation v equals u plus at. Velocity at the time is 5.66. I'll use 4 square root 2. Initial velocity is 8, acceleration is minus 10 and time is there. So 4 square root 2 minus 8 by minus 10 gives me the time. So time is equals to 4 square root 2 minus 8 divided by minus 10 and I'm getting 0.234 seconds.